Hi, good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about connectors and but so because. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. So, what is it a connector? A connector is a word that is used to join words or sentences. Jadi, connector penghubung adalah sebuah kata yang digunakan untuk menggabungkan kata atau kalimat, ya. Okay, for the first one is and. And for links to related things. Jadi, di sini kata penghubung and itu untuk menghubungkan dua hal yang sama, ya, related things, ya. For example, I like tea and coffee. My friend play tennis and football, ya. Tennis and football is related things, ya. Dua hal yang sama-sama jenis olahraga. Tea and coffee itu related things, ya, karena tea and coffee itu sama-sama jenis minuman. Oke? Okay, for the second one is but. But for links a positive and negative idea. For example, I like swimming, but I don't like dancing. And the second one, I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Yeah. The third is so. So for give a result. Yeah. For the example, I was hungry, so I ate my lunch. Yeah. And the last one is because. Because for give a reason. Yeah. For the example, I want to sleep because I was tired. I ate my lunch because I was hungry. Okay, that's all the material for today. Thank you for your nice attention. See you for the next meeting. Bye bye.